What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Today I have a basic medium bald fade, medium skin fade. We're not gonna touch the top. He wants his top to grow. No lining, ABC stuff. Once again, if you're new to the channel, I'm suggesting that you subscribe right now. Once again, this is the Barber Illuminati. Let's go! We're gonna ignore the phone because I'm booked for the day. People are still calling. Today's Sunday, June 16th. Father's Day, Sunday. And it's all good. I'm going to be using the same style, the usual style. I'm not going to be doing anything different here. Just the same old basic steps. I appreciate you guys for watching, for subscribing. The channel is growing and I'm excited. This video is going to be quick. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber Studio in Waukegan, Illinois. Very hard to find. Boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my first guideline with the OA blade as usual. First guideline. Boom. 000 as usual. Coming up. The other side, the left side of the haircut has already been completed. I'm only going to blend this side. That's it. This is a 50 below the 000. Get in there. Angle, angle, angle. T-out liner. One more time to work out the bottom line. As you can see, this gentleman has a beautiful head texture that behaves itself. This haircut is happening like butter. Boom. All right. I'm going to be using my number 2 blade for my second guideline. I'm going to do a slight angle because I want it to blend into the top. So by the time I get past the number 2, there's not a whole lot more to do. Maybe a little bit of clip over come above it. That's it.
That shot, not only that shot, everything that went along with it. Two things. We're going to go, second shot.
Then my 1.5, and then go below the 2. This time a much sharper angle. Then the 1A. Where's that? 1A, 1A. Where are you? I'm always looking for my blade. Sometimes they're right under my nose. There they go. 1A coming up below the 1.5. Then the 1 below the 1A. The OA below the 1. Boom. Boom. Oh my God. The Barber Illuminati did it again. All right. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the light quickly. Just a tad bit. And then I'm going to keep working. All right. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps one more time starting with the blade number 2. Boom. Then the 1.5 as usual. The 1A below the 1.5. The 1 below the 1A. The OA below the 1. I don't need a whole lot of that OA, just a tad bit of it. Boom. Oh my God. We did it again. All right. Where's my, I'm going to do a quick clip over comb. This haircut is about done here. Quick clip over comb. We'll do a quick spin and we out. I usually use my OA blade for my clip over comb work.
He's got 4 major championships. He's going to have to do a little more work today. He's going to make it 5 for in a row at the U.S. Open. We'll come back, starting his day 4 off the lead.
Boom. Let me zoom out a little bit. I may have to do a little bit of clip over comb at the crown. Yep, a little bit more of that. Like I said, it's a basic medium skin fade. ABC stuff. I make all detachable blade haircuts look easy. It is easy, you just gotta do a whole lot of them. Thousands of them. Alright, I'm gonna clean the customer right quick. Then I'm gonna do a quick spin. Then we out of here. By the way, before I wrap this up, I'm gonna do a small modification right here. Starting with the number 2 blade, just a quick touch up on the front right about here with the number 2 blade, maybe the 1.5 below it. Boom. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick spin, and we're out of here. Let's go. Let me go this way. It's a quick spin of the overall, the entire work. As you can see, I'm spinning the chair and doing the haircuts. That's the Barber Illuminati production. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow. This is incredible. I think I just saw a dolphin. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. This is incredible. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. All right, YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati.